Okay, I'm at the other hive, warming up, and I literally just walked from the other one over, so this is hot. So I'm putting on, I should have had my glove on. I'm going to dial this down to 2. Since this is just a single frame or a single box, try the same thing. Just go straight in. And once again, that worked. I didn't cover, so a little tiny bit got above it. That's all right. Uh-oh. What I see is a dead battery, I believe. Maybe, maybe not. It started fast blinking. Doesn't look like we're clogged. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little metal piece just to make sure. Yeah, we're looking good. No cloggage, and we're solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And I put some insulation on the impromptu. This is gonna complicate it a little bit. Got a little screw here. Might have been propolized a little bit. Anyway, this is going to be a little harder to do. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, because I'm having to hold the insulation up. Yeah, I'll take that off. There we go. Now we can do it. Put that in. And that's just going right into wood. So there we go. Let's look. I see it totally coming out the front. So that's not good. I'm going to do the hive gates right after this treatment. I'm going to change that front to a hive gate. There's a piece of wood that goes all the way across, but obviously it's not propolized very well. Because looks like a lot of the vapor's coming straight out of it. I think that's been long enough. A little blast when I take it out, but I think it's done its thing. I put my plug back in, and I'll go ahead and rinse this thing. And you can see it's hot because steam's already coming out. Okay. I think we're good. Tip looks good. This is hot. Little chunks. The chunks that are in there, and by wetting it down and then working it, they seem to come out. This is distilled water. And you saw the liquid shoot up towards my face. It's not hot, but eye protection definitely. I have glasses, so I'm good. And then you want to leave the cap off and let the thing cool down. This and this can go back in. Let that dry before putting it away, or let it cool down at minimum. And make sure it's a couple drops came out. So that's that. Next I'll do the hive gate.